No matter what industry you work in, Android can help you get the job done. With over 1.4 billion installations worldwide, Android has become the preferred operating system for today's mobile workforce. That's why Panasonic has developed Productivity Plus. Productivity Plus is a suite of essential Android solutions that includes rugged hardware, an extensive partner network, professional services, and advanced software that lets you bring legacy applications to Android. With the Android support Productivity Plus offers, we've made it easy for you to adopt Android as your new OS. Why now? Android mobile devices have become critical for mobile workforces across industries. From military bases to fast-paced warehouses, to remote locations out in the field, to the front lines with first responders. Best of all, with Productivity Plus, you'll be able to future-proof your investment with dedicated support for app development, deployment, and sustainment of your rugged mobile Android devices. Say hello to the new TOUGHBOOK A3, a new enterprise-grade tablet that builds on the TOUGHBOOK legacy of durability and reliability, with features tailored to the needs of mobile workers, including outdoor viewable screen and glove touch functionality. With a 5-foot drop rating, dual hot swappable battery, high-powered long-lasting chipset, sunlight viewable 10.1-inch screen, and patented touch technology, the TOUGHBOOK A3 is an invaluable addition to the family of Panasonic TOUGHBOOK rugged mobile devices. At Panasonic, we're committed to helping you solve business challenges and to supporting all aspects of your Android deployment. You can always count on us to deliver the performance, reliability, and support you need. Panasonic, we are changing the way work is done.